Meaning of George II.
George II.
George II.
George II.
George II. George II typically refers to the second monarch of the House of Hanover who ruled over Great Britain and Ireland from 1727 until his death in 1760. During his reign, several significant events occurred, including the War of Austrian Succession and the 7 Years' War. George II is also known for his involvement in the development of the British military and his patronage of the arts. Overall, he is considered to have been a successful monarch who helped to solidify Britain's position as a dominant European power during the 18th century.